Hi everyone, in this video I will show that how you can fix sound problem in No More Room in Hell 2 game. I will show you guys the different and effective solution. So the first solution is restart PC. Sometimes simple restart fix the problem. Now check your problem is fixed or not after the restart. If not, then go to the Windows side, type here the troubleshoot setting and simply open it. Now here just click on the additional troubleshooters. Now once you click on that, here just click on the playing audio option, then just click on the run the troubleshooter. It will start detecting the issues in your sound and if there is any kind of problem. So it will give you the option to resolve or solve the problem. So just click on the solve and see this fix the problem or not. And if this does not fix the problem, the next solution is check output devices. So go to the Windows set, type with the sound setting and open it. Now here make sure that the correct output device is selected, so which is speakers or any kind of other device, and make sure the master volume is above the 70%, and also need to make sure that your input device is correctly selected. Now if this is does not a problem, the next solution is update audio drivers. So go to the Windows setup with the device manager and open it. Here you will see the audio input and output. Open it, you will see your speakers or your headphones. So make a right click on your speakers, click on the update driver. Now here click on the search, and if there is any kind of available update for your driver, then just update it, then launch the game and then check. If your problem is not fixed, then right click on the speakers again, then just click on the disable device, then click on the yes. Now once you disable it, make a right click on it again and just enable it again. Now sometimes disabling or enabling your speaker sometimes fix the problem. See if this fix the problem or not. Simply launch the game. And if your problem is not fixed, the next solution is check in-game audio settings. Open the game setting and ensure the audio is not muted or set to low. Reset audio setting to default or increase the master volume, then check. Now the next solution is disable audio enhancement or change audio format. So go to the Windows setup with the control panel and open it. Now select the view bar to the category, then just click on the option of hardware and sound, then click on the option of sound. Now here you will see your sound properties. Now just right click on your speakers and you will see the property, just click on that, and here just make sure that it is enabled. Then go to the enhancement and then just uncheck this box of disable all enhancement, then just go to the advanced and just select it the 16-bit DVD quality, then click on the apply. Now launch the game, then check problem is fixed or not. If not, then select the 16-bit CD quality, then click on the apply. Now launch the game, then check. And if this does not fix the problem, then you can select the 24-bit 2D quality, then click on the apply. Now launch the game, then check problem is fixed or not. And if this does not fix the problem, so the next solution that you can try is verify game files. So if you are playing on Steam, simply open up the Steam, then just click on the game, then just go to your game property, then just click on the install files, then click on the verify integrity of game files. It will take some time, you just need to wait for it. Then restart your PC, then launch the game, then check problem is fixed or not. Guys, if your problem is still not fixed, then close background application. Some background app may interfere with the audio. Close any unnecessary application, especially those related to the audio. Discord streaming software turn off. Overlay Discord, very important. Now open up the Steam, then go to your game properties. Now here you will see the option of enable the Steam overlay while in game. So just uncheck it, then launch the game, then check. If you have the Discord, then disable the Discord overlay, then check. And right click on your taskbar, open up the task manager. Guys, here simply close all unnecessary background application. Make a right click on all of these and just click on the end task, then launch the game, then check problem is fixed or not. And if your problem is still not fixed, the next solution is update Windows. So go to the Windows search and just type here the update and open it. Now you just need to make sure that your Windows is completely updated to the latest version. If this is not updated, then just update it first, then launch the game, then check. Now, if your problem is still not fixed, then check for game update. Ensure the game itself is up to date as patches may fix audio related bugs. Now try all of the solution and I hope one of the solution fixes your problem, and if yes, please consider liking this video, and bye bye and take care.